Welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. CPI numbers are in. What does it mean for crypto? The expectation was 6.5%. That's exactly what we got, Austin. 6.5%. Nothing really out of the ordinary. Crypto was already kind of running a little hot before CPI came out, and we're pretty much in the same boat, which I guess is a good thing, right?
Well, yes, right. I was kind of hoping for a surprise number. I was hoping we'd get a 6.3 number. I know the consensus was looking for 6.5. I'm glad we didn't go the other way. I'm glad it wasn't a 6.7 or whatever. I mean, it does show that the 7 very, very painful interest rate hikes they did last year are actually starting to work, I think. The jobs report came in earlier this month. That was good. So I think it sets the stage for the next Federal Reserve FOMC meeting, which is January 31st and February 1. We actually care about only February 1 because that's when they make the announcement. But yeah, I mean, let's take a look here and I'll let you take the mic back over. But I mean, we're looking good here,
Yeah, getting close to 900 billion here in the global crypto market cap. I posed a question today on my live stream this morning when we were talking about CPI when it first came out. Does Bitcoin get to 20K or does it dial back to 15K first? I think that's an interesting question. What do you think?
You set me up on that one. I think, you know what, man? Here's the funny thing. I'm not hedging my bets, but this is truly how I feel. I think that nobody freaking knows. I think that's really the answer, right? I think you ask 5 people who know crypto and you're going to get at least a 50% go either way, because I think that people don't have I don't think there's enough data. I think the Fed meeting on the 1st is going to be a good next indicator. I don't think we go to 10 between now and then. I don't think there's nothing catastrophic out there. And I guess that's really, as I'm walking my way through your question, where I was going with that is that I think, you and I had talked, we both thought that January, February were going to be horrific, right? We were like, and that's kind of some of the data that we had. Well, it really hasn't been, and I think that's I'm not answering. I didn't answer the question, but I kind of did. I mean, that's kind of where we're at. What's your thing? Your two sides.
A lot of people in the community, because I posed this question to a lot of people and they were dropping their thoughts in there. A lot of people said, we'll probably go to 2021 first. And then sometime in February, dial back down to that 15, 16K number, which is really likely.
But why? That would be my question.
I guess it all hinges on what's going to happen with the rate hike, right? So the idea is that we're going to get another 25 or get a 25 basis point hike. At least I think that's like the predominant narrative. But you're right. This rate hike, there's really not a lot of expectations because we've had this gap and we really don't know what their plan is. It's a new year.
Yep.
Are they going to kick the can? Or are they going to just raise them slowly here? I mean, the best guess is 25 basis points, I think, is what I read. But
yeah. Well, you and I have asked the question to a lot of different people, and we get different answers. Like, if it does go from 20 to 15, why would it go there? And there
the
is
other thing we're not thinking about, at least in this video, is further fallout from FTX. That's the one outlier that's still kind of looming, that there could be something that happens there that obviously, would hurt us. But
well, we're going to wrap it up there. We're trying to keep these videos a little short for you so you can get in and get out. So thank you for your time. But CPI numbers are in right now. Breaking news. Everything does look good. Crypto's on a run. We're looking good. And so now we're turning our attention to the February 1st when they make a decision to raise these basis points or not. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button below. Learn more about Clear. Links in the description below. See ya.
Clear's running right away right now too. Nice to see.
That's good stuff. All right. Now bye.